For our fifth adventure, we journey beyond the blue city limits to the golden sands and ancient stones that guard its borders. In the ancient town of Ossian, known as the Khajuraho of Rajasthan, temples from the 8th century stand as masterpieces of stone. Just beyond the temples lie the dunes of the Thar. Here, the silence of the desert speaks louder than words. Closer to the city, the Balsamond Lake Palace offers a royal summer retreat, hidden amidst lush groves of lime and pomegranate. For a different perspective, the Flying Fox zipline offers a bird's-eye view, gliding over the battlements of Mehrangarh. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. History buffs will find treasures in the Sardar Government Museum, housing portraits, weapons, and textiles of the royal era. The Mahamandir Temple is an architectural marvel, supported by 84 pillars, each carved with unique yogic postures. Back in the markets, Mochi Bazaar is the place for mojaris, the famous leather footwear embroidered with vibrant threads. And to end on a sweet note, try the Mawa Kachori, a rich pastry filled with sweetened milk solids and nuts. As night falls over the Gantagar, the city's heartbeat slows, but never stops. Dinner under the stars, with the illuminated fort as your backdrop, is the quintessential Jodhpur experience. From the desert dunes to the royal palaces, Jodhpur is a story written in stone and sand. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.